Friends, if you want to hide your profile picture from some contacts, then this video is for you. In this video I am going to show you how to hide WhatsApp profile picture some contact. First of all, you have to open WhatsApp and tap on top right 3 dots. Now here you have to click on Settings. After clicking on Settings, click on Privacy. Now here is your profile photo, click on it. After that, click on the third option here, My Content, accept. Now here you have to select those contacts from whom you want to hide your profile picture. Click on Done. In this way you can hide your profile photo from some contacts. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.